conduction of electricity, covalent compounds generally do not pass electricity, but when dissolved in aqueous solution, they dissociate in hydrogen ions and negative ions, which lead these charges to pass through. An aqueous solution of acids conduct electricity, for example HCl, H2SO4. Intermolecular forces and their influence on the melting and boiling points. Covalent compounds have much lower melting points than ionic compounds. Stronger electrostatic forces between charged ions raise melting points of sodium chloride to 1801 degrees. Covalent compounds have much weaker intermolecular forces and easily break, thus have lowered melting points. Higher energy is required to break ionic compounds compared to covalent compounds. Here is the table between the ionic compounds and covalent compounds. Water, methane, ethanol, these are covalent compounds. You can see the melting point is lower as well as the boiling point is lower as compared to these. Sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, 801, 996, 714, these are the melting points. These are ionic compounds. And 1465, 1695, 1412 are their boiling points. So you can see from the table that the melting points and boiling points of ionic compounds are much more higher because of the strong electrostatic attraction between their charged ions. Understand? समझ आया? Okay. Now what are the contact forces and non-contact forces? Anas.